Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the security. Now let's tap on more settings, which should appear at the very bottom, and here find install apps from external sources. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And if you'd like to change it, so for example, in order to allow the browser to download something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, here we've got the information that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your personal data and your whole device at risk. So if you are ready, just tap on enable, and as you can see right now this option is active. After getting back, you can also see it right here. So from now on the browser is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, and you can always turn off the permissions whenever you want to. Actually, just go back to this app, tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the browser is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.